This computer comes with a 14-inch HD screen. And it comes with full color and smooth screen. Latest Windows 10 spots. It comes with 4 GB of RAM and 120 GB of storage, but you can upgrade to 8, 12, 16 GB of RAM and 500 GB of storage. This computer i5 intercode processor comes with 2nd generation, which makes a gaming PC. This computer is specially designed for home office users who do heavy work on the computer. The charger of this computer is 90 watt, which comes with a powerful charger that charges the battery in 2 hours. The LatitudeE6320's integrated Intel HD Graphics 3000 chip made for smooth video playback. Its 3D Mark 06 score of 5229 blew past the thin and light average of 3622. 2.7 GHz Intel Core i7-2620M. 3-year basic hardware service with 3-year NBD limited on-site service after remote diagnosis.